Hey guys, welcome back to my video.
Wait, I don't see the truck.
It's right here, right here. Yeah, the truck is right there. The truck is right there.
I see the truck now.
Welcome to Washington.
So cool. Yeah.
I don't know if it's the mushies or if it's just
They do have little fingers.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
Wow. What's that say about that? How adorable. And a poser. Send me that video or the picture. Go really close too.
I did. Oh my goodness, it's so cute.
I want to pet him.
Oh my
Is
God,
that
he's looking
Naomi?
right at us.
Never thought you'd have a smokehouse almond, did you?
So pretty. And now look at the water and the, oh my gosh, this doesn't look real. This is like dream meditation spot. Look at the soft moss set in the water.
I want to hold
So
on.
pretty. Oh, these little flowers. Wow. Yeah, it is so foggy. Wow. I've never been here when it's been this foggy before. Kind of fun. Hello you guys, it is the day after the hike. I went to bed at midnight and I slept in until 11 today and it was very needed and really nice. And now I'm making just like a little makeshift breakfast wrap. Not really breakfasty, but just with whatever produce that my mom had. So she had some cauliflower and some crispy tofu already made, and then she had a bag of baby carrots and some tomatoes. So I am taking advantage of all of those ingredients. Just really simple. I also did have 2 gluten-free toaster waffles with lots of butter and maple syrup, so don't be fooled. But then I think that I might just put, I'm going to set you right there. Maybe some of this on top. I'm going to my nails. They look so horrendous right now because I peeled off my gel like a crazy person. Ta-da! And I'll probably just put some pepper on top. Very simple, but I just wanted to get some veggies in my tummy, especially after eating the waffles that were delicious. But sometimes if I have something that's too sweet, I just want something like refreshing too. So I'm going to eat that, and then I think I'm going to go get a matcha down the street, and then come home, get ready for the day, and just take the day very slowly. Today was like my one day that I didn't really have any set plans. Andre, where are you?
Fuck, I just saw a red light in the window. That's crazy. Oh my god.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, you guys, I am at my friend Kendra's house. This is like my childhood best friend, and I used to come to her house like every day after school, but I haven't been here in so long. So it's crazy to be back, and I'm just like, girl, she's so fucking blessed. She has all of these trees in her backyard. Well, it's her parents' house, but in their backyard. I'm just like realizing all the differences between where I grew up and where I live now, and just even like parking in her cul-de-sac and being like, oh my god, there's an abundance of parking, it's easy, it's a slower pace, all of these trees in her backyard, so peaceful. It's just so different than city life in LA, which I love, and I actually don't know if I'd be happier if I lived here, but it is just enlightening to see all of these differences. And just, I think it's so important for me to visit home and kind of slow down a little bit, and to just enjoy this slower pace. And I just recorded a video on slowing down, so yeah, you can watch that. But I definitely think it's a lot easier here, and just the culture is different and the vibe is different. So I just am feeling really grateful to be here. I think I'm going to lay on her hammock while she works on some stuff, and we're just gonna hang out. And I will just oh my god, it's a jump scare. I'll just bring you guys along on what we do. But yeah, Kendra is like my best friend. When we were like 14 years old, we made up this entire language, like this code language, and we would speak in it fluently. And we're just fucking awesome. We're so cool. We're so great. We FaceTime all the time, so I'm just happy to be here in person with her and with her little floofy puppy Felix. Felix. Hi, baby boy. So yeah, I'm not really sure what we're gonna do today. I think we're just gonna hang out around her place. Holy fuck, why do I keep doing that? Hang out around her place, and then I think later tonight I'm gonna go get dinner with my mom and then watch a movie with my mom. I'm just trying to make the most of my time here because it's pretty limited. I'm only here for like 5 days. And it's already been like a day and a half, and I went hiking all day with my dad yesterday, which was amazing and so beautiful, and I love Mount Rainier, and I'm so grateful. It is just the most magical and whimsical place, and I think everyone should go there once in their life. So I did that. I'm gonna spend some time with my mom, and then gonna have some friend time over the next couple of days. But yeah, just trying to take advantage of this time and also give myself time to rest and catch up on sleep too, because life was just feeling really rushed right before I came out here, and this is also just like my little vacation time and time to ground and have a little break. So definitely trying to find a balance. But yeah, gonna hang out with Kenny for the next couple of hours, and we shall see where the day takes us. And maybe I'll show you guys some places that I love and grew up with in my childhood.
We used to always be partners, right?
What?
Like at the beginning of softball?
Yeah.
Usually. Dude, Esther scared me. She would actually throw it so hard.
Yeah, 'cause she's good.
Okay, wait, so tell me more about the lunch or the breakfast here.
I don't know, it's weird. I mean, like, she...
Making salmon, and then I'm making sauteing some mushrooms, and then add some steamed potatoes and my green beans steamed,
Nice.
and put them all in there. And then it'll be like a creamy dish of potatoes, beans, and it's amazing. It's amazing. It'll be a second before I start.
Do you smell that? Does it smell good?
Oh, in the fridge there's a Jones soda for each of us.
That's fun.
And then get some of these little like ooey gooey cheese things.
Amazing.
I know, and then you just like put a huge pile of those.
That is a huge pile. That's good, I think.
That's good?
Yeah, I think that's good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sorry,
Wow.
I got some
Oh, that's okay.
stuff on there.
Wow. That's amazing. Gin soda. Yum. Yay.
These are tomatillos that just randomly grew by themselves. There was a bunch and I pulled them out. And here's a dill and here's a dill that grew by themselves. Like
Cool.
Feel the thing or smell them, like rub it together and then smell that.
Mmm, smells really good.
It was amazing. Or bite a little piece off.
Oh, the tomatoes. What happened to that plant?
Oh my gosh, what happened? They tipped over.
Oh. Oh, both of them.
Oh shit.
They're still intact though.
Oh shit. I hope I didn't break any stems or anything.
The bottom doesn't look broken actually.
Can you hold this?
Yeah.
I need to find a stake or something to hold that up.
It's heavy. That's why it fell over.
Oh, the stake. What could I use to hold that up with? I don't know if that's going to be enough to hold it up. Okay.
Yeah, I think you might need to put another one right here on the left.
Oh shit though, look at these guys.
Lucio! Are you harassing that kitty cat? Do you think she went and ate the tuna just now?
Yep.
Lucy, that was for the stray kitty.
I guarantee that's what she is.
That was for the stray kitty. Let me smell your breath. Let me smell. You ate the tuna fish, Lucille.
She
Can't
just ate
believe
her
you.
dinner too, little piggy. And mooch food for me the whole time.
These lilies, and they smell so good. Oh my god, they smell so good. The pink ones are kind of dying though. It's so gorgeous. Wow. Lucy, I cannot believe you. This one has a little bit of pink too. So gorgeous, huh, Lucy? So nice. These ones. These ones, they're so bright. That's my old room. Wow, guys. Love that. Look at the moon.
Is it pretty in pink or see-through?
Sorry,
Is it
I got
showing off your
That's okay. Thank you for vlogging.
You wanna put in your mouth and then roll down south. You wanna turn this shit out, that's what I'm talking about.
I'm trying to make sure that this is okay.
Roll down south.
Yeah.
You wanna turn this shit out, that's what I'm
closer.
talking about. Hide it, lick it, spit it, put it to the side and get all up in it. Where I'm right, so might remix it, send him to the guy, I think he's with it. Hide it, lick it, spit it, put it to the side and get all up in it. Where I'm right, so might remix it, eat it up for lunch, yes, so.
Out in the rain, suddenly everything changed in our spring. Blankets on the beach. Yours is the first face that I saw. I think I was blind before I met you. Now I know where I am, I don't know where I've been, but I know where I want to go. So I thought I'd let you know. Yeah, these things take forever, especially and slow. But I realized that I need you, and I wondered if I could come home.
The one time.
Look, but I start, bro.
It's because I knew you were gonna start. Okay.
You're fine. You're fine.
I'm fine.
Bottom string, bro.
I'll just close my eyes.
Yeah.
Did I fuck up? Barely. Just barely. You fucking bitch. You fucking cunt. Just kidding, I love you.
The pain where it shoots down your arm is so.
Come on, lightning.
If my back is
10,
and it causes
9,
inflammation, where I'll get a knot on my
8,
shoulder blade that will cause
7,
more pain down my arm.
6, 6,
So I
5,
get it. I get it.
4,
It hurts
3,
my lower back for the last 3 weeks
2, 1.
3,
1 and
2,
3 quarters. 1 and a half. Baby, get over here. 2 of my favorite people in my childhood friend's backyard. Who would have thought?
right here.
Right over there? I'm gonna go over there.
It's been
Whoa!
every time it's just every time. Oh my god, I've sworn out.
Holy shard. Oh my god! I love a storm!
Fucking sword, Vicodin, Percocet, like everything.
Wow.
And I think the last time I drank, you know, that was a few years ago. I had like a
Oh my god!
like one of those like
It's coming down.
down the fucking spine, like pulsing. Like,
Give me another lightning.
and it
There's
was
2
at
minutes
work.
left
I
on
was
here.
gonna power through it. Coming like so satisfied. So satisfied to say a lot of things tonight. So afraid you're in the ways it kept me hiding. It's not so much exactly know the words I use. It's more that I was somehow down to let you lose. So
Oh, fine. Forget us.
Everybody getting in?
Oh, I'm getting in.